Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Lenovo V15 is not turning on. So if you tried pressing the power button and your device simply won't start up, then it's most probably discharged in most cases. So try plugging in the charging cable to your laptop, and after you do that, leave your device to charge for about half an hour at least. You can use both USB Type-C kind of cables and the original barrel type charging cable plugs. It's better if you try to use both, because maybe one of the cables simply isn't working right. And also check your charging cable and the AC adapter for any visible physical damage. So inspect your cable, inspect your AC adapter. Now make sure that you're using an original AC adapter and the cable, because this will ensure the best compatibility with your device. And if you're using a substitute, then first of all make sure that it has at least 65 watts of capacity in it, and also make sure that you're using an AC adapter from the reliable distributor. And once everything is connected properly, try turning your device on after a while. And again, and if your device still doesn't want to turn on, then maybe it was exposed to either an extremely hot or a cold temperature. In such cases, your device might not be responsive for the next 12 hours after the accident. So I recommend leaving it without the charging cable in for half a day, and then try to plug in the charging cable into your device and charge it a little bit and turn it on. And if your device still doesn't want to turn on even after that, then at this point you should definitely contact the Lenovo Customer Support service and tell them about your issue, and probably send your device to the service center for repair. Still, I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.